Yes, sir. We live, man. Yeah, that boy camera was messing up all night yesterday and stuff like that. But we live now. Yes, sir. About to go ahead and head out, get some more views of this desert. You feel me? Let's get it. It's good. If you ain't with the gang, catch up, man. I'm telling you, we gonna go anywhere you wanna go, even where you don't. You just know that. Let's get it. Yeah, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are live and direct, you feel me? So I gotta go to this plane. Yeah. Hey, thank you for y'all service too. Yes, sir.
That drink a little bit busted though. That drink probably used to go. Let me see that come.
Yes, sir. Boy, ready to take off. What you think about me? I'ma eat normal. One thing you don't find out about me, I'ma eat normal everywhere I go. So yeah, so we about to go ahead and head to the next location. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We live in direct. You feel me? We out here at Hoover. Damn, yes, ma'am. It's up.
Yes, sir. Boom. Alright, told you, I hope y'all pause game crazy, though. Bam! Yes, sir.
Yo, you couldn't even breathe at the time up there, man. Mad windy, OD. But yeah, it was mad windy out there. Yes, sir. Last day out Vegas, man. Boy, been turning up all week. I say that every week on it. Yes, sir. Yo, like and subscribe, stay tuned. Man, look, next week we been going somewhere else, man. I'm telling you, stay with me. Just know that. So we just found out there's some Watersports out here. I'm about to see what they talking about. Go ahead and get busy. You feel me? Yes, sir. Man, about to be that time. Let's go ahead and check in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. like I said, we're coming up on the last hours right now. You know, just waiting around for my plane to get ready. So we just gonna go ahead and hit Caesar's Palace. You feel me? Why not? Everybody got a couple people that like to gamble. I don't per se, but we're gonna figure it out. You feel me? Let's get it. Big gang in the building. Big gang in the building. Yes, sir. So Caesar's Palace is just mad big, got a mall attached to it. Man, honestly, they got everything, yo. Of course, the casino is deep. Oh, yes, sir. And on that note, I'm officially up out of here, you feel me? Shout out Vegas, yo. Yeah.